The Wahl Cordless Senior. Very popular, amazing machine. This is our highest performing machine right now. The drawback with all of these cordless machines is that the cam follower that drives the blade from the motor, they start to wear out. And when they start to wear out, the machine starts to get loud. Like that. Your cordless Wahl machine shouldn't sound loud like that. It means that the cam follower is getting worn out, whether it's the Senior, the Magic Clip, the Designer, actually any of the cordless machines, not even Wahl, the cam followers start to wear out after a while because you have a rotary motor spinning, trying to make the blade go back and forth horizontally. So a spinning motor moving a blade horizontally, eventually that piece between the motor and the blade starts to wear down because the spinning motor will start to wear it down, and then there's slack in there that creates that vibration and that noise. So all that to say, you need to change your cam follower. This is the cam follower. Very easy procedure. 2 screws. I keep my thumb on that blade. There is a spring in there. So as you take the blade off, sometimes if the cam follower is really worn out, it'll pop right out, right across the shop. But this one isn't so bad, so I can just slip a little screwdriver or something underneath it to pop it out to get it off of that spring and out of the groove, the track that it runs in. I take a brand new cam follower. Can't see much difference. I mean, the wear is so tiny you won't notice it. And I simply place it on the springs. The springs are facing, like they're turned down. It's sit on top of the springs. And then you just push it down so that it clicks into place. And the tail is going to be in underneath your lever. So your lever will still be able to go up and down. Make sure your tail isn't sitting up on top of your lever, then you won't be able to move it. So that goes on. Your blade goes back in there. Your moving blade, your cutting blade, stationary blade goes on top. Whoop, got away on me. Hold it in place. Screw it in, not super tight. Next one. Screw it in, not super tight. Then I close the lever, and I zero gap by eye. I just, turn it to the side so I can see down the cutting blade and the base blade. I don't know if that shows up on camera all right. My glasses are fogging up a little bit, but I think that's pretty close. And then, so lever closed, get it so that the cutting blade doesn't overlap your base blade, and then I'll turn it so it's a little bit tighter, check, still good, a little bit tighter still, a little bit tighter still. Well, that's shifted a little bit, so I'm going to shift it back a bit, tighter again, tighter again, tighter again. And that is pretty straight. And quieter.